YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all of the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Could be meme coins, altcoins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Look at DEX tools. We're on BNB chain right now, okay? If you take a look at DEX tools, what is trending number 3? The project that I think has super potential in the future to be the lead competitor to Gala, maybe even be, bigger than Gala. You just never know in the space, man. But there's two web3 gaming projects that I'm super bullish on. Gala is one of them, and GFAL is one of them also, that I could see being the leaders in the web, from people transitioning from web 2 gaming to web 3 gaming. Games for a living is one of the leaders, in my opinion, for the mass adoption, for that transition to take place. We could see, man, people have been taking profits, it's coming back down, but guess what? This is where you DCA into the project. Obviously, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into crypto. Just be safe out there, guys. But like I said in my previous videos, 100,000 GFAL, almost made a little mistake right there, but 100,000 GFAL, which is $1,200. If it comes down to that 1 cent mark or even less, and you could get 100,000 GFAL for $1,900, around that range, I'm telling you guys, 100,000 GFAL, which is what I would think the average person could afford. Right now it's $1,238. The average person could afford that. I think that will be, crazy games to in the future. As far as maybe a 10x, 100x for GFAL, you can't rule that out, guys. Imagine turning your own $1,000 into $100,000. I don't think that is far-fetched, okay? Because the people behind GFAL, what it's all the games that they're developing, how it's getting better and better daily, is impressive, okay? Welcome to Game for a Living, shaping the future of gaming, NFTs 2.0. Excuse me, GAAS 2.0. Generate value by consuming minted effort. Simple and secure login, easy cash in and out, one ecosystem token with tax management. They already have the 2 games that we've went through, and like I said, Trip Hawkins is one of the people behind the project. Look at these partners and backers, guys. Just go in and do your own research. Hodl Ventures, Chronos, Cointelligence, Yield Guild, Builder Capital, Wolplex, Avocado DAO, Bonsai Partners. So do your own research on all of these backers, guys, and do your own research again on Trip Hawkins if you are questioning the potential of this project, right? Nothing in crypto is guaranteed, but you can't rule out potential of certain projects. We're excited to share some of the new stuff we've been working on lately. GFAL IDs here, more info is coming soon. So they have an ID that they're developing, patch notes for elemental raiders, consistent tweets, man. The Discord server was compromised, I see that, okay, unfortunately. Certify mentioning GFAL, moves to the upside for GFAL. So yeah, right now it's on a bit of a retrace. People are taking profits after this run up. It's also following the rest of the market. Now it could come back down a bit lower, but I would give it around, if it does come back down, I would give it around the 1 cent mark, or maybe the 0.008 mark, 8.9. Somewhere in this range it would come over to, because this is such a strong support, okay? It's a very strong support. And then 1,000 to 900 to $1,000 for 100k GFAL. That is great stuff, man. I know that's what the average person could afford, but yeah, that would, in my opinion, go very far in the future, right? Look at channels like Bullzilla, who has his 100k challenges. This, to me, GFAL would be a 100k challenge. It is just as bullish as Gala. it is super great, and I can see the development and everything that is taking place for the project. Take a look at CoinGecko real quick. So yeah, because of circulating supply, it's $8.5 million in market cap, $686 million tokens circulating, and 10 billion total. So depending on how fast the bull run happens, depending on how fast the project, explodes, $686 million in market cap for the circulating supply right now, and you have 100,000 and it goes to that, it's $100,000 for it to just get to $686 million in market cap. If it happens before, we get the amount of token unlocks, the total token unlocks, right? But as time progresses, we'll see, man. But I think this is a very bullish project. I think it's great. It recently came out, so it's still a, how it is. A lot of projects that came out this year, in my opinion, will do the best because people like new shining objects in crypto. They don't really like dino coins as much. They like the new shiny objects. So GFAL, Games for a Living, is one of those projects, guys. To support the channel, please become a Patreon. Guys, I suggest my Crypto Elite tier for access to my private Discord. All of the information that I find, I will share it in the Discord and the Patreon. First exclusive content, everything, guys, everything early on the Patreon. If you hold GFAL, you believe in the future of the project, let me get your thoughts, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything GFAL and myself is in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.